In this video, I will show you how to install Fandango at home on Android TV. And how to subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful. So on your Android TV, first you have to connect to the internet. Now I'm assuming you don't have Google Play Store and the application is not on your App Store. So what can you do? You're going to use this intermediate application called Downloader. Downloader is an application that helps you to search for files from the internet, from across the internet, and can get them to your Android TV or smart TV. So you don't have to download on your smart TV or Android TV. Check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to get you download that to your Android TV. So after you get it and launch here, here's how the interface look like. So here you're going to type in a keyword. Now I always recommend typing a specific keyword, something like download Fandango at home or Fandango at home app on Android TV. So once you are typing the right keyword, just go ahead and click on search or go. Downloader is going to show you the options on the internet to get the application. So you can scroll through them, you can always check each and every link and see which one is going to work for you. But to save time, we're just going to check one of them and it's this one. Once you click on one of these links, here's how it's going to look like. It's going to bring us to the website page of Google Play. And now, as you can see, the application is not supported on my device because of my device version. So if your smart TV or Android TV has a higher version, the application is going to be supported on that Android TV. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.